Now, sometimes what we're going to do is we'll represent not independent events with a tree diagram. So say we're talking about our spinner again, which goes red, blue, and green. So 3 out of 10 is red, 2 out of 10 is blue, 5 out of 10 is green. Now, that spinner is, it's not a spinner, we're drawing, say, marbles out of a bag. So there's 10 marbles in a bag, sorry, I got a little bit confused there. 10 marbles in a bag, 3 of them are red, 2 of them are blue, 5 of them are green. So what happens now is we draw red, but we don't put it back. So this is without replacement. Okay, so it's without replacement. So based on that, if we've got 3 out of 10 for red, then for a second red, it's going to end up being 2 out of 9. So there's 9 left. Blue is going to be 2 out of 9, and green is going to be 5 out of 9. Now, for blue and then red, so we're going to have 3 out of 9, 1 out of 9, and then 5 out of 9. For green and red, we're still going to be out of 9, and we've got 3 out of 9 again. For green and then blue, we've got 2 out of 9, and then for green and green, we've got 4 out of 9. So based on that, then we can go off and calculate probabilities like we did before. We multiply them. So red and red, we have 3 over 10 times 2 over 9, and we end up with 6 over 90. Let me simplify that. For red and blue, we'd have red, which is once again 3 out of 10, and then blue, which is 2 out of 9. So we'll have the same thing, 6 out of 90. Now for red and green, green and red rather. So green is 5 out of 10, and the red is 3 out of 9. So we end up with 15 out of 90. And then of course, if we want to say the probability of green, that means we're looking at all of these three, plus blue-green, plus red-green. So that is green-red, plus green-blue, plus green-green, plus blue-green, plus red-green. And of course, it's plus because we're looking to make it green. We could have green and red, or green and blue, or green and green, or blue and green, or red and green. And then for that to happen, we've got to multiply. So I won't show you how to do that because we've already gone through that.